Hello kids! Here, another short story that we can read at this moment entitled Nature Park. You can follow and join me to read this short story and answer the different questions afterwards. Nature is God's gift to mankind. It captivated our hearts with its grandeur beauty. You can relax by its freshness and sweet-smelling aroma through the fragrance of wondrous flowers. The cool breeze of the air that swirls in the atmosphere eradicated tension and distress. Even the exhausted body and mind soothed it through the cool crystal water when you soak it. It serves as repose and amusement, a diversion in a present situation. It also relieves the agony of someone who suffered deepest pain. Sometimes the splendor loveliness of nature is a sound therapy of the restless body, mind, and soul. There is a restoration and breakthrough for the stir and spend time with the nature. Answer the following questions. Are you ready? First question. Who created the nature? A. Man. B. God. C. Royal family. D. Rich man. And if your answer is letter B, you got the correct answer. Second question. What does nature can do to us? A. It gives relaxation. B. It eradicated tension and distress. C. It restores the strength of the body. D. All of the above. And if your answer is letter D, you got the correct answer. Third question. What can you find in the nature? A. Its cool breeze. B. Its fresh air. C. Its wondrous beauty. D. All of the above. And if your answer is letter D, you got the correct answer. Fourth question. What is the importance of nature? A. It polluted the air. B. It doesn't protect the human beings. C. It serves as the habitat of many living things. D. It caused the greenhouse effect. And if your answer is letter C, you got the correct answer. Fifth question. How can you preserve the nature? A. By cutting down the trees. B. Through burning the forest. C. By throwing garbage in it. D. By maintaining its beauty and cleanliness. And if your answer is letter D, you got the correct answer. Did you get the perfect score? Congrats, kids! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.